We'll solve this problem in detail. My name is RAJABOOPATHY, founder and trainer RADIAN IAS Academy. Dear Junior IAS Foundation course students, so this is a online live and recorded course. The new batch starts from January 2024, especially for school students without affecting their studies. In fact, it will be a complement to their studies. So what do the students acquire from this course? Problem solving skills, analytical, logical and reasoning skills, then general knowledge and current affairs. So very useful for their current studies and also for those who want to appear for competitive examination in the future like civil service examinations, IIT, NEET examination, CLAT, etc. examinations. So those who want to know more details about this course, to attend some free sessions, kindly save this number 98403 98093 and then WhatsApp Junior IAS to this number. So forward to your friends also. So we gave you this problem. So in the geometry, you are supposed to find the value of this. What is the value of this x? So what are the basic things you are supposed to know? The basic things you learned in lower classes, especially what is the ultra basic things. For any triangle, the sum of three angles is always equal to what? For any triangle, the sum of the three angles always equal to, very good, correct. It is 180 degree. Then second, opposite angles equal. Opposite angles always equal. Then third one, for any triangle, if two sides are equal, the corresponding angles opposite to them also equal. Suppose if all the three sides are equal, then all the three angles are equal. Therefore, for equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degree. Why? Because 180 degree is total, 180 divided by 2. But here you are supposed to know, for any triangle, if two sides are equal, then the corresponding angles also equal. If two sides are equal, normally denoted by this one. This means these two sides are equal. Similarly, this means these two sides are equal. So by the symbol, single line or two lines. So now see, so this AB and BC are equal. AB equal to BC. When AB is equal to BC, therefore, which angle is opposite to AB? So opposite to AB is this one. Similarly, opposite to BC is this one. These two are equal. That means if this is A, this is also A. We know that A plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So A plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. So therefore 2A is equal to 150 degree. So therefore A is equal to 75 degree. So I used the first and third concept. Next, opposite angles equal. Therefore, when A is equal to 75 degree, please note that this is 75 degree. Therefore, opposite angle, this has to be 75 degree. In this triangle CED, CD is equal to ED. CD is equal to ED. Therefore, ED, opposite of ED is 75 degree. Therefore, opposite to DC also 75 degree. Has to be 75 degree. So this is 75, 75, 150. Therefore, this x has to be 30 degree. Understood? So this is a basic problem for having a basic geometry knowledge of 6th standard. Can solve this problem. So I'll explain the three concepts used to solve this problem is the sum of three angles of any triangle is always 180 degree. If two sides are equal, then the corresponding angles opposite to them must be equal. Next is opposite to angles are always equal. Opposite angles like the angle C, this and this, that is angle ACB is equal to angle ECD. They are opposite angles. So to know more about this course, type Junior IAS, the student's name, standard and place. WhatsApp to this number. Kindly save this number and send, because we send by broadcast. So then only the message will be delivered. So 98403 98093. Thank you.